Hi folks, this is Phil with Seachoice. Since this is Safe Boating Week in the US, we think it's a great opportunity to check the first aid kit on your boat. Don't just check to make sure it's still there, but actually inspect the case for any damage such as cracks or brittle plastic from the heat. And then open it up and inspect for any water damage. Check the expiration dates on anything perishable and replace if necessary. If you are low on any bandages or antiseptic wipes or anything, replenish them. You know, a few weeks ago, we were out on a brand new boat when we had a minor accident resulting in a few small cuts. We were surprised to find that the boat didn't yet have a first aid kit on board. The cuts were minor, so we were lucky that time, but don't let that be you. If your boat doesn't have a first aid kit or you need to replace your old one, then check out these kits from Seachoice. We have both a basic and a deluxe first aid kit. The basic kit has all the essentials, and the deluxe kit has a few extras like scissors and tweezers. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and please remember that when it comes to boating, safety is number one.